Hi, today I'm going to talk about several vocabulary words and the difference an accent can make on pronunciation. So let's start with year. If year is hard for you to say, you can try the Y sound in front of other vowels. So try yo, yo, yai, yai, yay, yay. And then try ye, ye. If ye is hard to say with the Y in front, pick one you can do, like ya, ya, and then switch from ya to e, ya, e, ya, e, and then tack the on the end. Yair, yair, yar, 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 year, 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 year. Then you can turn it into a long E sound once you've gotten that Y solidly in front. Yeah, yeah. So the Y is when your tongue, the back part of your tongue, I don't have my Mr. Mouth puppet. Darn it. Oh well. The back part of your tongue is tightening up and kind of pushing, yeah, 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 yeah. A little bit against the top of your mouth, but especially the sides of your tongue are pushing against the sides of your mouth. Yeah, 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 yeah. Actually, like your back molars. So yo, yo. Feel what your tongue is doing when you make the Y sound and yo, yo. Most people can do yo, yo, yo. Now just do that and switch to a different vowel. Yo, ye, 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 ya, ye, ya, ye. And then tack on the Ya, ya, year, year. Practice listening for the difference. Going back to that year, practice listening for the difference between year and ear. So I will do that a few times, and you can close your eyes and try to guess what I said. All right, year, Y. Ear, no Y. Ear, no Y. Ear, no Y. Year, Y. Year, Y. Year, Y. Ear, no Y. Ear, no Y. Year, Y. Okay, hopefully you got those right. And also listen for the difference between R and L words, initial R words and initial L words. And so try closing your eyes again and listening to these words. Right, R. Light, L. Lap, L. Wrap, R. Row, R. Low, L. Lock, L. Rock, R. Lake, L. Rake, R. Reap, R. Leap, L. Rid, R. Lid, L. Loot, L. Root, R. Ran, R. Lan, L. Led, L. Red, R. Okay, so hopefully you were able to get those. And so the short U vowel is sometimes hard to discriminate from the others. So we've got A is a, I, a. So the U is a. And it's the same sound as is in run, sun, lunch, thumb, or even People don't know what they want to say next. It's kind of like I don't know. And that's the same sound that is in run, sun, lunch, thumb. Vowels are really important to get right because if you don't have the right vowel, let me give you some examples of, right, tan is the color you get when you're out in the sun. Tan versus tin would be a kind of middle. Tin versus ton is a measurement of weight. A lot, something's really heavy, it weighs a ton. What's another one? Well, there's red, the color red. Rid, to get rid of something. Rid. Anyway, obviously, if you change the vowel, you change the word. So make sure that your vowels are right on as much as possible. And or, speaking of vowels, this vocalic sound or can be very difficult. It's simply the vowel O and then O, and you move that together into or. So to get the right sound, you're going to have to round your lips a little bit for that O. Or. So you round your lips, and then your tongue goes back for the R. Or. And that's the sound that's in door, for, more, or. Like, do you want chocolate or vanilla ice cream? So, and that is all for today. I hope that helps.